there are many more such ER verbs which we will be learning daily. But there is one important verb which is etre. It is pronounced etre. It means to be. Etre. It is a very important verb, so pay close attention. This conjugation is a bit different. For je, we say je suis. Je suis. For tu, we say tu es. Je suis, tu es. For il, we say il est. For elle, also we say il est. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. This might be difficult at first, but practice will make it perfect. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. For vous, it is vous êtes. For il, it is ils sont. And for elle, it is elles sont. Let us say it once again. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, and elles sont. Let us say it once again. It might be difficult at first. Keep saying it along with me. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. So, once again, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So, this is the conjugation for the verb etre, which means to be. This is a very important verb, so keep practicing. It is a bit different from the ER verbs, so you need to pay close attention and memorize these. Je suis, which means I am. Tu es, which means you are. See, je suis means I am. Tu es means you are. Il est means he is. Elle est means she is. Nous sommes, which means we are. Vous êtes means you are. Ils sont means they are. And elles sont also means they are. So, just once again, say it along with me. Etre is the verb. This is in the infinitive form. Etre. It means to be. Je suis. Tu es. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Now, shall we try to make simple sentences using this verb? For example, let us say you want to say, I am a student. How would you say? What is I? Je. And what is the conjugation for etre? In je, it is suis. Je suis étudiant. So, je suis étudiant, which means I am a student. Similarly, you can form many sentences using what we have learned today. Just try some simple sentences. You can use the help of a dictionary for words that you do not know. How would you say that I am an Indian? So, je suis Indian means I am Indian. So, for verbs, for nouns that you do not know the word for, you can use a dictionary. So now, I think you would know how to introduce yourself. I told you how to say your name. What would you say your name? Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Say your name. Je suis étudiant. So now, we have formed 2 sentences with simple verbs that we have learnt. Let us say for some more sentences. For example, now in the second person, how would you say you are a student? We want to say you are a student. So what is for you? It is tu. So in the etre conjugation, what is the etre conjugation for tu? It is a. So tu es étudiant. So it means you are a student. Tu es étudiant. So these are the simple sentences that you can form using just the subject pronoun, the verb in the correct conjugation, and a noun. So you can think of more sentences that could be formed. It's very simple.